Hi, what is wealth? You think wealth is just big pile of bones, but no, no, no! Wealth much bigger than Stinky Bone Mountain. Look, if you have many bones, but no fire, you freeze like mammoth poop in winter. If you have fancy fur, but no food, you look good, but stomach cry loud. If you have big mammoth, but no friends, who help you drag mammoth home, you cry alone. So real wealth is balance. Some bones, big fire, warm fur, fat mammoth, and good friend who share soup. And wealth also knowledge. Caveman who know where mammoths sleep. Richer than dumb hunter with 5 bones. Remember, wealth not only in hand, it in belly, in cave, and in heart. Bones finish, but friendship, fire, and brain stay forever. Ooga booga! Now you know what real wealth mean. Go, collect smart wealth. Not just bones, but good life. Hit subscribe, or mammoths sit on you.